Hey y'all, so I'm here with a new video using the Lunar Beauty's new Eternal Eclipse palette. This beautiful color, this palette's color story, I mean. It's more of like a neutral with a pop of color. So first I'm taking the shade Earthbender. It's like the palette's darkest brown, and just gonna put that a little above my crease as always, because you know with hooded eyes you kind of have to give off the illusion of having that eye space. So, and I'm also using his new, I got the whole collection, so I'm going to be using his brushes, and or not his, but you know, Manny's Lunar Beauty's brushes, and then the new lipstick that came out with it as well. So I'm just gonna, it's gonna look harsh at first, but that's fine because we're gonna go back and blend it out later. So I like to do it all later instead of like right now. And now I am taking Lagoon, the blue shade of the palette. There's only two matte blues in the palette, and just putting it in the crease and above it as well. This is going to be like a little smoky look, so that's why I'm going to save all the blending for last. And now I'm taking Smoke, which is going to give it the smoke look. And that's going in the crease just to like give it a little smoky effect. And then so on the next part I'm going to also, these are brushes, like they do the work for you. You don't even have to blend that much. It's like I love these brushes. I feel like ordering another set. I hope he like continues making brushes, because these brushes were the bomb. This is the bomb. So I'm just taking a little concealer to clean up the edges and to, you know, just give me that lifted eye look. Because of course it looks messy in the beginning, like all looks do. And then you clean it up towards the end. And bam, look at that. That looks bomb. All right, now I took the shade Deep Sea. It's the shimmer blue of the palette, and just put it all over the lid. This is just a little simple look. I know I don't usually do those. I always do like big looks. But yeah, this is just for the little, those girls that just want the little simple look. Nothing wrong with that. And then I'm taking Lagoon again and just packing it under my eyes. Now you see how I faded away most of the brown, the Lagoon that we put on first. That's the little smoky effect that we went for. And I went ahead and blended everything together. So yeah. And then for the inner quarter, y'all, this shade right here, oh my god, the first time I used it, I was like, oh shit, I put a lot. This shade is really, really pigmented. It's called Adamantium. It's like this silver, it's like a true silver, just bam. And now for the lip, I am using the new lipstick that came out. It's this nude color. I really like it. It's one of my favorite lips. I think it's called Zaya. And yeah, that's the look, guys. I just put on some lashes and hope you enjoyed. I really recommend this palette, and I suggest you guys get it as well. If not, the brushes for sure.